Many Xfinity users face issues where their 5 GHz Wi-Fi network doesn't show up or work correctly. This common problem is often linked to features like band steering and SSID split in Xfinity routers. Band steering is a router feature that automatically directs devices to the best Wi-Fi band. It sends compatible devices to 5 GHz for faster speeds, while keeping others on 2.4 GHz for better range. When band steering malfunctions, devices may stick to the 2.4 GHz band, making the 5 GHz network seem invisible. SSID split separates your Wi-Fi into distinct networks for each band, like My Network for 2.4 GHz and My Network 5G for 5 GHz. This prevents confusion, but can cause issues if the 5 GHz SSID doesn't broadcast or devices have security mismatches. You can check SSID settings through your router's configuration page, typically accessed via the Xfinity app or web interface. Other potential causes include interference from neighboring networks, devices incompatible with DFS channels on 5 GHz, or hardware issues with the router. Security mismatches, such as WPA3 on 5 GHz versus W2 on 2.4 GHz, can also prevent connections. This guide helps diagnose these common Xfinity 5 GHz problems, setting the stage for troubleshooting solutions. To troubleshoot your Xfinity 5 GHz Wi-Fi, first access your router settings through the Xfinity app or a web browser at 10.0.0.1. Try disabling band steering temporarily to force devices to choose a network manually. Check that SSID split is enabled and both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks are broadcasting. Perform a simple reboot of your router to clear temporary glitches. Update your router's firmware to the latest version to fix connectivity problems. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of your router. If issues persist, environmental interference may be a factor. New Xfinity gateways support Wi-Fi 6 and 7 technologies for better performance.